Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I want to be showing you the 4x4 parodies. Alright, so the first parody is obviously a well parody. Now this is the first parody that you can get. It is when these two pieces are flipped around and nothing can fix them. Like no OLL algorithms or anything like that. So today I just want to show you how to fix that. All one move with these two inner layers and then U2. That's all it is. So it's pretty easy to memorize. I memorized it in about 5 minutes. So yeah. There it is, and then you can continue with solving the cube. And all done. So the next parody I want to talk about is actually PLL parody. This one's also pretty easy. I learned this one in about 3 minutes, a bit easier. And it's just a lot of these turns and some twos. So yeah, there's PLL parody. Super nice and easy. If you just need to know the notation, that'll be in the description. And you can just go back, replay the video, put it on slow-mo if you really need to.